How do you expect to be heard without a voice? How do you expect to be defended from vicious Tory policies without a voice? Because without Plaid Cymru MPs, Wales will be without a voice. Wales will be defenceless. Once again, Wales is under attack. The Tories are seeking authority to impose their brutal policies on Wales. The outcome of this general election will define our country, our lives, and our children's lives for years to come. Jeremy Corbyn's Labour Party has abandoned Wales. Labour is too weak and divided to stand up for Wales. It's time to vote for a party that will defend your interest, that will defend your nation's interest, that will defend your economy, that will defend your people. It's time to vote Plaid Cymru.
Our economy, our communities, and even our identity as a nation is under threat from the cruel and reckless Tories. Labour is weak and divided and completely unable to offer any sort of opposition to the Tories. Don't waste your vote. Vote for the only party that can defend Wales. Plaid Cymru, the party of Wales, is the only party that will defend Wales. Every Plaid Cymru MP elected will go to Westminster to fight on behalf of their country and their communities. This means defending people against brutal Tory policies and against any kind of intolerance or scapegoating. Wales has always been a welcoming country. We will make sure it stays that way. Now is the time to defy the Tories, to show that we believe in Wales, to defend Wales, to vote for Wales, to vote for Plaid Cymru.